Have you ever found yourself needing to make international payments, but traditional banking methods just weren't cutting it? Or perhaps you're a freelancer or small business owner looking for a more efficient way to manage your finances across borders? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Airwallex and exploring whether it's the right financial solution for you. Understanding Airwallex. Airwallex isn't your ordinary bank. It's a fintech company that's revolutionizing the way individuals and businesses handle cross-border transactions. Think of it as a modern-day financial passport, allowing you to seamlessly move money across borders. But the question remains, can individuals really benefit from this powerful tool? Key features for individuals. Multi-currency accounts. One of the biggest advantages of Airwallex is its ability to hold and manage multiple currencies in one place. This is perfect for digital nomads, freelancers, and anyone who frequently deals with international payments. Virtual cards. Need to make online purchases in foreign currencies? Airwallex provides virtual cards that you can use for secure online transactions. These cards are customizable, allowing you to set spending limits and control your finances. Borderless payments. Sending money to friends, family, or clients abroad. Airwallex offers fast and affordable international transfers. You can send money to over 130 countries, often at much lower fees than traditional banks. Foreign exchange. Need to exchange currencies? Airwallex provides competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a great option for travelers and individuals who frequently deal with foreign exchange. How to get started? Getting started with Airwallex is a straightforward process. Here's a quick breakdown. Sign up. Create an account on the Airwallex website or mobile app. Verify your identity. You'll need to provide some basic information and verify your identity. Fund your account. You can fund your account using various methods, including bank transfers and debit/credit cards. Start using. Once your account is verified, you can start using Airwallex to make payments, exchange currencies, and more. Is Airwallex right for you? Airwallex can be a valuable tool for a wide range of individuals, including digital nomads. Manage your finances across multiple countries. Freelancers. Receive payments from clients worldwide. Online shoppers. Make secure international purchases. Students. Send money to family and friends abroad. Travelers. Exchange currencies and make payments while on the go. The verdict. While Airwallex is primarily known for its business solutions, it offers a suite of features that can significantly benefit individuals as well. If you're looking for a more efficient and cost-effective way to manage your international finances, Airwallex is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.